Hey everyone, it's Bri. I'm back with another scrapbook process video for the SpiegelMom Scraps design team, and I am working with the Late Summer Thoughts sequin mix and this adorable Dotty About Flair mix. This is a collab slash combo that we are doing with Dotty About Flair. Unfortunately, all of these sets have been sold out. They were available on the SMS shop as well as the Dotty About Flair website. It is I believe it's a UK based company, and it is owned by our own sparkler Adam, which is so awesome. These are amazing Flair. On the back it's like plastic and not the metal, and you can actually just put some foam tape inside of it and be able to adhere it down to your layouts. So super light, super cute, and the sequins match perfectly to go with those flares. So I am using a few of my Paper Person ink pads because I do plan on stamping my title out. And since the sequins and both the sequins and the Flair remind me so much of fall, I had recently, or actually yesterday, I had gone to First Watch for breakfast, and I got the pumpkin donuts, and they were so good. So, and the little menu on the top left photo says like Harvest Happiness, I think, or Harvest something. And so it's just a lot of fall themed menu items. So I thought it'd be fun. I usually, if I do photograph my food, I really don't scrapbook it, especially on a 12x12 layout. But I thought this would be perfect for the sequin Flair combo mix. So I've got my title stamped. I used my solid Ellie's Studio Alpha stamps, and then I went over it again with the Orca ink pad from Paper Person and stamped the outlines. And then now I've got my little clusters around my page using the flares as a base, and then I'm going to sprinkle in the Late Summer Thoughts sequin mix as a finishing detail. So just little pops of yellow and red. So I am working with a bunch of Ellie's Studio products that I had from my like one of my class kits for a sketch. I think it was a sketch thing that I taught. So I've been wanting to use my stash up, so I'm just digging into my stuff, and thanks to Shannon, who is also a fellow sparkler, that gave me the idea to use up some of those products. So yeah, so I've got some tangled thread, I've got some acetate hearts, and really just wanted to match the sequin mix along with the flares that I chose for this layout. So I have extra flares that I can use in future projects, and then I'm just going to sprinkle in some of those sequins here and there into my clusters using my handy dandy crystal katana, which is my favorite sequin tool. And I've got some Scotch tacky glue in my little bottle, and I'm just putting down little dots and sticking my sequins just randomly. I love the pops of color. I love it, just kind of brings everything together, and I had so much fun with this set. I think there may be future collabs coming up, so stay tuned. This did fairly well and sold out, and I think they even did a restock. So if there are future collabs with Dotty About Flair, make sure to stay tuned and snag them while you can before they're sold out. And you can always use my code Brianna15 to save you 15% off in the shop at any time. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm just going to add some final acetate stickers, a red and yellow one at the bottom, and then a red and yellow one at the top left. So yeah, I had a lot of fun with this layout. Thanks so much for watching. Again, there's my code. Here is the final page. I hope you like it. Thanks again for watching, commenting, and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!